Esk8 SA. Got a good crew and an awesome view. Check out his backpack. Made it himself. All the lights are sequential. He's got like a full-on charging hub in there. All his headlights and stuff. Pretty cool. Custom made bike. Batteries in the ammo cage. How's that for a view? You alright, dude?
Follow us up here, man. Stairs only.
Ah, rub it in. Just trying to rub it in because I can't ride upstairs. Go on then, show us how it's done. There we go. There's the action shot you've been looking for. Impressive. That's sick. Got the suspension working good on that one. He's going up it. Oh, almost.
I don't even hit it at speed.
Yeah.
I just can't get the run up.
Have another go. Wow, that's impressive, man. Hey.
So close.
That was a good effort, man. Well done. Impressive.
The closest steps I can ride up on a flight.
Yeah. Wow. Just getting up any steps, that's pretty good. I can hardly stand on one of those things.
Little bang.
Keep people away.
And I reckon the kids would love that one. He's out. Going under. Back to the cars, and then
Oh, that's living.
cool.
And coffee.
Yes, well, Little Bang, they probably hopefully do coffee, so by that time be careful. Burger,
Burger.
greasy burger.
Greasy burger.
Yeah, that's the downside of mine because I've lost like all haptics that would tell you it's recorded. The only way I could do it was from the app.
Yeah, right.
So I got to stick the phone to it, but especially when we're racing trails and stuff, I'll need like my riding app open because that tells me like how fast I can go duty cycle, which is synced to my earphone.
Hell yeah.
And yeah, once you're running too many things, you know, plus we got a little racing app as well.
Yeah.
Logs your segments. It's just kind of like a time trial thing.
Yep.
But again, it's like if I want to film, I've got to like shut off all that shit.
Just been informed that's the crackhead headquarters apparently. Romley House. Interesting. Hold on. This is the reality, guys. Some people don't have homes to live in. They are still humans just like you and I. Hey, woo! Sweet. How old's this track?
This? Geez, I don't know. As long as they've been running the V8s in this country.
You guys reckon you could ride 5 wide?
5 wide?
Yeah.
I think so.
Sweet. So much fun. Call it quits while still in one piece. The racetrack's just too much fun, eh? Home time. Woo! Hi, Binky.
Yeah.
That's sick.
This is the spot.
That's cool. What?
Right next to the Dunnies.
Oh, that's perfect. Why don't we come sit down here?
I don't know. Actually, you try this. Oh, then they have to change all the orders.
Yeah, true. This is cool, man. Oh, next time we'll come back this one. It's even got pinball machines. How cool is that? What are you playing, Clay?
I'm playing.
What is it?
Ninja Turtles.
Woo! Ninja Turtles. What are you playing, Pink? Mandalorian. That's my favourite. This is cool, man. What's the name of this place again?
Little Bang.
Little Bang. There you go. That's sick. Hey,
Apparently you don't need
introduce yourselves for the YouTubes.
Stan.
You don't need planning permission to convert.
That's Dazza.
Dazza. Who? Aiden. Graham.
And then
What's your name?
Dean.
Dean.
Yeah.
And Dazza.
Daryl.
And that's Clay. And this is where we're at. Pretty cool little venue. The seats everywhere. Little bang. Keep on shredding. You.